Top 10. Best small coolers. To add a small ice cooler to your gear list. Being able to keep food and drinks cold and fresh. Number 10. Rubbermaid Cooler, Ice. This Rubbermaid model comes in varying sizes. Choose one depending on your needs, or just go for two, one for lunches close to home and a bigger one for extended trips with your family or group of friends. This cooler is up for it whichever way you tend to use it more. The classic Rubbermaid retro look. Easy to clean liner. Easy to clean ice chest. Number 9. Everest Lunch Bag, personalization for urban use. Say goodbye to sad lunches with this colorful little cooler, just perfect for fitting delicious snacks inside of it, either for your workplace or on the road. The front zippered pocket is ideal for storing eating accessories. Insulated interior perfect for snacks. Wide variety of colors to choose from. Mesh pockets on the side. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best small coolers or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Stanley Adventure Small Cooler, steel thermoses that were around some 50 years ago and which some grandparents still kept and used almost to this day. Those were made by Stanley. Yup, the brand has been producing camping gear for that long, and it's that durable. The best small ice cooler for adventure trips, 27 hours of coolness. Adjustable tie down. Insulated lid and body. Number 7. Igloo 14 Pontate Quart Playmate Works. This new model comes as a new spin on their tried and tested Playmate model, with a more rugged look. It's the best small work cooler if you're not one to mess around. When you go on an outdoors adventure, you really go on it. Diamond plate industrial design. 14 quart and 26 cans capacity. Easy to carry around. Number 6. Coleman 16 can soft, thanks to the comfortable shoulder strap, and it will help you carry cold drinks for the entire party. It can fit 16 cans inside the zippered main compartment which keeps items cold. There is also a dry storage pouch for snacks which don't need to cold, as well as mesh pockets on the sides. Comfortable shoulder strap. 3 color options. Decently priced. Number 5. Coleman FlipLid Personal Door Stays. This Coleman personal cooler will get the job done flawlessly. It can hold up to 6 cans cool, and the hard exterior allows you to use the cooler as a small picnic table, reading surface and so on. You can also use it around the house as a small wine cooler, 2 color options to choose from. Fits in almost every space. Very affordable. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best small coolers or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Yeti Roadie 20 Small Cooler. In the world of camping and outdoor enthusiasts, and for good reason. Few other brands have managed to consistently charm their customers and earn their return throughout the years. It's true that a Yeti item can be pricier than a personal cooler coming from a less reputable brand, a classic choice from cult brand Yeti. Weighs 15 pounds when empty. Beautiful colors to choose from. Number 3. Coleman 30 Can Small Cooler. Wonder once you look down its features. The cooler is small enough to be worn as a bag via its shoulder strap, but can fit 30 drink cans inside its insulated area, keeping them all ice cold for 24 hours. In terms of temperature performance alone, the best small soft cooler for short trips. Can be worn with a shoulder strap. Red and black design. Number 2. Yeti Hopper Flip 18 Portable. Found in things like mat suits and whitewater rafts, it's also tough as nails. It comes equipped with a handle which makes it comfortable for the shoulder. It's among the smallest personal coolers on our list, but it can still fit 16 cans inside. Light and easy to carry. Comfortable shoulder strap. 100% leak-proof hydraulic zipper. Number 1. eBags Crew Soft-Sided. Find yourself needing a cooler in both outdoor travel and in city situations. For the really dynamic user, items like these can work perfectly well as the best small soft cooler when you're going on a picnic or a trip, but also as a lunchbox for the daily grind. Very durable materials. Will last you a long time. Multiple color options to choose from. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best small coolers or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.